Temperatures are likely to continue to flirt with triple digits across Texas for a while. So it's worth making sure you're doing everything you can to keep energy use down. Here are 3 more tips that help you save money on electricity this summer. Number 1, keep your outdoor air conditioning unit in the open, away from shrubs or fences that can smother the unit and hinder its ventilation system. Number 2, if leaves, pine needles, or other debris get in the unit, spray it down with a garden hose using a high pressure nozzle. Debris can limit the amount of airflow that flows to the coils, so keep the outside coils clean of debris and out. And number 3, consider installing a programmable thermostat. You can adjust it to specific temperatures at specific times. Higher tech versions use geofencing to detect when you're home and when you're not. They can start cooling the house when you're on your way home, so it's the temperature you like when you get there. Every little bit you can do can make a difference in these high electricity bills. So I hope these tips will help keep you and your bank account cool.